Hi there, Annie Akopyan here with Coldwell Banker Hallmark Realty. I've come across some very important information. I really wanted to take this opportunity to also share it with you. Now, homeowners who have lost their income or their jobs because of the coronavirus outbreak are getting some relief. Depending on their situation, they should be eligible to have their mortgage payments reduced or even suspended for up to 12 months. Now, I know California said 90 days, but certain places is also going to be up to 12 months. Federal regulators, through the mortgage giants Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, are ordering lenders to offer homeowners flexibility. The move covers about half of all home loans in the entire U.S. This is for those people, which will probably be majority of us, who have been impacted by the coronavirus. And I know some of you are worried sick, being home and thinking, how am I going to pay my mortgage? What's really important is that you make that call to your lender. Let them know that you will not be able to make your payments. Now, they are willing to work with you. Every single bank is willing to work with you during this difficult time. So just make sure that you make that call. Do not expect that they are going to assume that they know this. They don't. You have to make the call. Now, they will work out a plan for you that's going to work for you as well as for them. I understand some banks are going to either say, okay, well, if you can't make this mortgage this month, that's fine. Certain banks are saying, well, how much can you afford? So if your mortgage is $5,000, $3,000, and you can only pay about $1,000, pay the $1,000. The key factor here is that you still have to pay this money to your lender. So don't think that just because the government is being okay with this, they're trying to work with you. That does not mean that you're gonna be that is gonna be forgiven. You are still going to have to pay it. Now, I know some banks have said, okay, if you're not gonna pay for 3 months, they're not going to pursue any foreclosures or notice of defaults against you or your property. But you still have to start paying that mortgage. You still have to make that call every month and let them know where you stand with your mortgage so that they know how to how to set your program, basically, how to help you out. Now, let me see if there's anything else. Yeah, so homeowners can't just stop paying their mortgage. They need to contact their services, as I said. So this is not a forgiveness of debt or free money. Homeowners will work out a repayment plan once they recover financially. I know some banks are thinking, for example, if you're not going to pay for a whole year, which in certain areas, they're okay with that. Other areas are not. And I know California just said 90 days. Is this going to change in the upcoming weeks, months? I don't know. But right now it's 90 days for California. Now, if it comes to a year that you're not going to be paying for your mortgage, at the end of the year, the bank may just want to extend the number of years that you owe your loan, or they might just come up with a payment plan so you can pay every month a little bit extra to recover that mortgage. Just know that it's still going to be your responsibility to pay for it, and I just thought that this was a valid information to share with each and every one of you to not only put you at ease, but know that, you know, people are not going, or banks are not happy about foreclosing or taking your property away, and this is not going to happen. So with that, I hope that this kind of eases your pain a little bit, or at least you don't have to stress on it, and just make that call to your bank. Let them know where you come from, and I'm sure they are going to work with you. I'm Annie Akopyan with Coldwell Banker Hallmark Realty. I'm here for all your real estate needs, and I'm here in this crisis to help you out with all that I can. So please feel free to call me, 818-640-0757. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.